Hello guys, today in this video we are going to tell you how to cancel your keto cycle subscription. Okay, so first of all, what you have to do, you can cancel your subscription only the platform where you have originally purchased. Like there, most of the subscription you can cancel by using your Android device, by using your iPhone device. So if you are using Android, then you need to open your iPhone, you can like Android device Play Store, and you need to tap on your profile icon, and then you can select payment and subscription on the Play Store, and then you can select subscription. You need to select your app Keto Cycle, then you can follow the prompts. At the very bottom side there is an option like cancel subscription, and by using the following prompts, on screen prompts, you can cancel your subscription. If you are using your iPhone, in this case you need to open your iPhone settings. You need to tap on your Apple ID, you need to select subscription option, then you need to select your app Keto Cycle app, then you need to follow the on screen instructions, and then you can cancel your subscription. And this is the last and the best option to cancel your subscription. Okay, so if you have any other questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.